At first glance, the dead hang appears too simple to be effective. Just grab onto a pull-up bar and let yourself hang? It sounds more like a resting position than an actual exercise. But what many people fail to realize is that this movement, this primal, basic, full-body suspension, is a secret weapon hiding in plain sight. Doing dead hangs every day for 30 days is not just a challenge of grip strength, it transforms your shoulders, posture, spine, forearms, and even your mental endurance in ways most people never expect. It is not fancy. It does not require equipment beyond a bar, but its power lies in its simplicity. And once you begin, your body will never feel the same again. One of the very first things you will notice within the first few days of dead hanging is how tight your shoulders actually are. Most of us carry tension in our upper backs and traps from years of sitting at desks, leaning forward over devices, or driving for long hours. The dead hang stretches the shoulder joints and surrounding musculature like nothing else. As you hang, gravity gently pulls the shoulder joint apart, decompressing it and encouraging space within the joint capsule. This helps realign the scapula, improve shoulder mobility, and reduce impingement that can lead to pain or stiffness. Within just a few sessions, people begin to feel a release in their upper body that they never realized they needed. Dead hanging also decompresses the spine in an extraordinary way. As you suspend your body weight from the bar, your spine experiences gentle traction. This traction elongates the space between your vertebrae, offering relief to people suffering from lower back pain or spinal compression. Think of it like uncoiling a tightly wound spring. Most exercises compress the spine under load, but the dead hang reverses that pressure. Over the course of 30 days, many report that their lower back feels lighter, their upper back opens up, and they walk with a greater sense of freedom and alignment. It is as if gravity begins to feel like less of a burden on your body. Another powerful change comes in the form of grip strength. Holding on to a bar with your full body weight is no easy task, especially for longer durations. In the first few days, your hands may ache, your forearms will burn, and you will feel like you are hanging on for dear life. But this is where real strength is born. Every second you spend on that bar conditions your fingers, wrists, and forearms to hold tighter, longer, and more efficiently. By the end of 30 days, your grip strength will likely improve dramatically. That strength does not just help with hanging or pull-ups, it helps with lifting, carrying, climbing, and everyday tasks like opening jars or holding tools. It makes your hands unshakable. The dead hang also reveals your weaknesses. If your posture is poor, your back is weak, or your shoulders are imbalanced, you will feel it instantly. The beauty of this exercise is that it forces your entire kinetic chain to work together. Your scapulae must stay engaged, your core must fire to keep your spine neutral, and your legs must stay steady. These subtle engagements might not be obvious at first, but over time, your body learns to distribute tension more effectively. Your posture improves, your back muscles begin to activate naturally, and your shoulders stabilize under load. You are not just hanging, you are teaching your body how to hold itself upright with integrity. Here is something you might not expect. The mental challenge is just as powerful as the physical. Hanging from a bar for even 30 seconds feels like forever when your muscles begin to shake and your breath shortens. There will be moments when your mind screams to let go, but each day as you push that limit a little further, your mental endurance grows. You begin to embrace discomfort instead of resisting it. You realize that growth is not always an explosive movement, but often in stillness. The dead hang becomes a meditation, a test of discipline, and a daily act of resilience. Let us consider your shoulders again. Most people have suffered from tight shoulders, forward slouching, or even shoulder impingement. The dead hang does not just stretch, it strengthens. Over time, the muscles surrounding the shoulder girdle adapt to the load. The rotator cuff muscles become more resilient, the lats and traps activate more efficiently, and the shoulder joint becomes more stable overall. This leads to fewer injuries, improved athletic performance, and a greater range of motion. It is like oiling a rusty hinge every day until it moves smoothly again. Your core is also working harder than you realize. Though the dead hang is passive in nature, your core must engage to prevent excessive swinging or spinal hyperextension. This is especially true if you choose to dead hang with your legs slightly in front of you. Maintaining a hollow body position, over 30 days, your core endurance improves significantly. It becomes second nature to tighten your abdominals during the hang, and you begin to notice the carryover in other exercises. Your planks become steadier, your squats become tighter, and your posture while standing or sitting begins to reflect that improved midline stability. Now let us talk about something people rarely associate with hanging, the wrists and elbows. These joints often suffer from stiffness or discomfort, especially for those who type, drive, or work with their hands daily. Dead hangs gently stretch and strengthen the muscles and tendons that support both the wrist and elbow. With consistent practice, people report reduced pain in these areas, better mobility, and less inflammation. The decompression of these joints allows fluid to circulate more freely, which can improve joint health long term. You are essentially restoring function to neglected areas of the body through a single, sustained movement. The nervous system responds as well. When you dead hang regularly, your body learns to handle and distribute stress more efficiently. The neurological pathways involved in motor control and proprioception become sharper. Your body starts to know where it is in space, improving your overall movement quality. You might find your balance improving, your reflexes sharpening, and your ability to recruit the correct muscles becoming more automatic. These are benefits that extend far beyond the bar into sports, walking, climbing, or even sitting with better posture at your desk. Here is an interesting realization that often catches people off guard. Many who commit to 30 days of dead hangs begin to sleep better. The reason lies in a combination of improved spinal alignment, reduced muscular tension, and deeper breathing. When the body is not fighting to stay upright all day or compensating for poor posture, it finds rest easier. Deep hangs also encourage full-body relaxation, which can trigger the parasympathetic nervous system, the part responsible for rest and recovery. Over time, this improved ability to relax carries into your nights, helping you fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. You might be wondering, what if you cannot hang for very long at first? That is completely normal. Most people start with just 10 to 20 seconds. The goal is not to max out every time, but to build consistency. With each passing day, your duration will increase, sometimes by just a few seconds, sometimes more. That consistent, incremental progress is where the real transformation happens. By day 30, you may find yourself holding strong for a full minute or more. That may not sound like much, but when it comes to hanging, every second is a milestone. There is also a remarkable aesthetic benefit. Dead hangs elongate your spine and decompress your posture, which gives your body a taller, more upright appearance. Your shoulders pull back, your chest opens up, and your silhouette becomes more confident. This posture not only feels better but looks better. You carry yourself with strength and poise, and others notice. It is one of the few exercises that trains posture in real time without having to think about posture consciously. Now let us throw in a challenge. Imagine combining your daily dead hangs with deep nasal breathing. Instead of holding your breath or panting through the discomfort, you control your breath in and out through the nose. This activates your diaphragm, calms your nervous system, and turns each hang into a practice of breath control. You are no longer just hanging. You are practicing mindfulness, resilience, and body control simultaneously. If you are training for pull-ups or any upper body strength goal, dead hangs will accelerate your progress. They improve the base foundation of shoulder stability and grip strength, two of the most crucial components of pulling exercises. Many people plateau on pull-ups because their joints or grip fail before their muscles do. Dead hangs fix this. They teach your body how to own its position at the bottom of the pull-up, control the scapulae, and create the shoulder integrity necessary for explosive movement. By the end of 30 days, you will not just be stronger, you will be more in tune with your body. You will feel when your posture shifts. You will sense when your shoulders round. You will recognize the patterns of tension in your neck or traps and know how to reset. The dead hang rewires how you relate to your own structure. It turns you from a passive observer of your aches and pains into an active agent of your mobility, strength, and presence. And here is the final truth. The dead hang is not just a 30-day challenge, it is a lifelong tool. You can return to it again and again. You can do it as a warm-up, a cool-down, a recovery practice, or a strength test. It never gets old because it always reveals something new about your body. It meets you where you are and takes you one step further. Stay connected with Fresh Fuel Tribe. Keep challenging yourself and let your body evolve.